You over here listening to CNN about the stock market, not realizing God just opened a window for you. Oh my God, the stock market has tumbled. Friday, it was the worst day for the S&P in years. Stocks are tanking. And people are like, oh my God, but you ain't got no stock now. But watch this. God just opened a window for you to get into the market. He just evened the playing field. And what you could not get or afford in the previous season, you can now step in on dry ground because God has opened a small window. Oh. You buy low and sell high. The same stock in 3 months going to be going crazy. You ought to take $1,000, open a money market account right now and watch God breathe on that thing. You got a small window of opportunity. Stop looking back at the door and start looking up at the window.